everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me. Just a really quick reminder that I am at the moment doing 12 days of Christmas freebies over on my Facebook group. The link is in the description box below. I'd love for you to come and join. Just make sure you answer the 3 joining questions and you can download these for free. I'd also ask if you would follow my Facebook business page. It really would help. I'll link that in the description box below. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm either in my Facebook group or on my Facebook page. I'm in the community somewhere all of the time because I live and breathe crafting. So this was day 1. I haven't been and shown every single day's pages on a video every day because it gets tiresome. But I thought I'd come and show you where we're up to so far because we've got the first 6 sets of the collection up and ready for you to download. So this was page 1. We've got these lovely 2 sizes of journaling card, a beautiful tag, and some bows and some lovely words. Okay, and then day 2 we had these lovely bingo cards, absolutely gorgeous. So we've got Christmas fairies or angels, whatever you want to call them. In my mind they were angels, but I think they could be seen as fairies. But it's got a very soft vintage feel to it. And at the end of the 12 days you're going to have a mini collection, okay, for you to create with. And then day 3 we had this little envelope, and then this funny triangular part here is to line the envelope. So you print that out, turn it over, and then you stick that on the inside, and then when you glue all of that shut you see that on the back. So here's an example. Okay, so that's the envelope folded. You could obviously have it closed, but I've got it as an open envelope, and that is the lovely liner inside there. And then these lovely elements came with it. So you've got a mini postcard that fits in it. You've got a Christmas poem letter, which I've folded up and put in here, okay, like so. Just a cute little something. Okay, there you've got your mini tags here, which are sized to go in the little envelope. So here are mine. I've put some little eyelets and used some little scraps of ribbon and twine on there. And then I'm all fingers and thumbs. You've got this large Santa's workshop ticket, and then these are like large washi tapes for you to rip up. And as you can see, I've ripped mine up, created like a tatty belly band and added that in the back. So that's just one idea of what to do with that page. And then day 4, I did this beautiful collage sheet. Let me just check I'm in frame. With all of the elements, we introduced some florals and a lovely background. So it's beautiful. Again, you could shrink it down, use it for card making. You could use it in a journal. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And then the next day, we've got a more plainer one, but still with some collage elements. Perfect for a journal page. It'll look absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then you've got plainer on the other side for writing. Or again, shrink it down for card making. Make tags out of it. Make your little pockets and flips out of it. And then along with this, we got this. I introduced this lovely pattern paper, which has got a lovely vintage cream background to it. And then I tried to marry up this red with the kind of reds that are in this lovely fairies dress here and some of the fruits. And then day 6, we had a simple trifold with all of the lovely inking around the edges so you can see clearly where to fold it. And you could just turn it over and put it back through your printer with a planer. You could put that on the back, you could put that on the back, you could put a coffee dyed sheet on the back. There's heaps you could do. You could put a lined page on the back. And then this lovely vintage wallpaper here is a strip to use as a belly band. So that's the 6 pages so far. Okay, so it's available on my Facebook group. You need to apply to join. Just when you go join, just scroll when you click the join button, do scroll and answer the 3 joining questions, because I do check every single person that asks to join. It's a bit of a tiresome task, but I do it to keep my members safe. Okay, we don't want spamming in there or weird people in there. So if your profile is locked or it has no content or it's got absolutely nothing to do with crafting on, you don't even have one crafty group that you're following, then, you know, I might think, maybe not. But otherwise, you're more than welcome to to come and join and grab these. Now, they may well be time limited. Sometimes with the seasonal things, I leave them on for the season and then I remove them. So if you want them, come and grab them. There are lots of other freebies over there as well, and it's a lovely, lovely little community full of lovely, lovely people. They really are genuine. I know I'm biased because they're in my group, but they are really lovely people. So come along and join and grab these 12 days of Christmas freebies, because we all like to get a little bit of something for nothing, a little bit of crafting for free. It's free fun, so come and grab it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the group. Bye for now.